Konnichiwa! Hi, hello, namaste, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm from India and I'm going to react to Baby Metal, Anger Cyst by Yui Metal and Moa Metal, and this is the first time that I'm gonna react to them together without Su Metal. That's gonna be interesting. I don't know what to expect. And if you're new to my channel and if you haven't watched the other reactions of Baby Metal, then I'll link it up there. I'll create a playlist and I'll link it up there. You can go watch it and let's start the reaction. The music was so heavy but kawaii at the same time because of the girls. You know, Yui and Moa Metal, they tried to live up to the music, but then they are so young and their voices are so cute that overall it sounded very pleasantly, weirdly awesome. Because heavy music and their cute voices mashed up together, and overall that's why it's weirdly sounded good. Like nobody thinks about of that, like cute little girls singing to metal songs or heavy songs. I have very less idea how the metal music sounds. This is the first metal music I'm listening to. Some people still debate that this is not metal, this is not baby metal, but I don't have anything to compare to. So, and it's known as baby metal or black baby metal when Moa and Yui sings together. So I'm gonna stick to that, but people have many opinions, and I am no one to judge that. But whatever I see and whatever I am introduced to, I'm speaking on that. And the song did really sound very good. It was so great, that part when I did the thumbs up, that part was so good, it sounded so good. And then the crowd, when they shouts, it's really very good. That part, like, did they tell the crowd beforehand that okay, during that portion you need to shout? Because I really had that, the fan vibe, that goosebump vibe, I got that during that period of the music video or the live video. So you guys already know me. I read the lyrics of all the baby metal songs and feature all the videos, be it baby metal or not. I'll be reading lyrics, and today I have the lyrics with me and I'll be reading it. Okay. It says, I dislike. Okay. I dislike guys who think only about themselves. You are uncool, very uncool. Don't approach me. I dislike, no way, useless, can't get any more. Oh my god, I didn't expect those lyrics. Okay. They are uncool, very uncool. Don't want to hear them. I will knock your ill nature into shape. Little girls. That's kind of funny because they're so cute and little, and they're saying that. It's like, it's really very cute. And then it says, burn your anger hidden inside. Stop kidding, hey you. It doesn't matter to win or lose. Stop kidding. It is only to be serious and not that matters. I think when it says guys, I don't think it means like guys or about boys. I think it's mostly about people who, like, who just complain and make excuses, and they do not do their work properly. So they do not dislike those kind of people. Maybe they mean to say that. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Okay. It just says, stop kidding. It is only to be serious or not that matters. Okay. I dislike fighting spirit. Damn you. Okay. I dislike guys who are not serious but make excuses. Stop kidding. I got very irritated. Okay, maybe they're complaining about someone who just keep making excuses. Whom is it written by? Is it by the girls or maybe somebody else from the group? Or maybe they're just irritated by someone who just keeps making excuses and they don't do their work really very well. I don't exactly think it's about the guys, like boys. They're singing about boys. What do you think? Because lyrics can be like, it depends upon person to person how they take it. Because the lyrics can be deceiving, so it depends upon, the lyrics are not clear, right? So sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's not, and that's why. Okay, let's continue. It says again that I will knock your ill nature into shape. I will burn down everything with flare of anger. I hope you know that I'm reading the lyrics and I'm not telling that myself to somebody else. Okay. Stop kidding, hey you. It doesn't matter to be skillful or awkward. Okay, it doesn't matter to be skillful. or awkward? Stop kidding. Hey you. I really want to know the story behind the lyrics. You may think back but may not regret. I think this paragraph has some kind of meaning. Stop kidding, hey you. It doesn't matter to be skillful or awkward. Stop kidding. You may think back but may not regret. Fight. Fight against sneaking temptation. Fight. Shout out your anger. It can also mean frustration, you know. Just do it. Stuff like that. But who knows? Okay, it says again, stop kidding, hey you. You say sorry, forgive me. Okay, maybe somebody made some mistake and they are saying sorry and forgive me for making excuses. What do I do with you? Okay, like, okay, that means like you made excuses, now you're telling sorry, forgive me. Like, what do I do with you right now? What am I supposed to do with you? Is it like that? Stop kidding, hey you. It's a joke? Bring it on, come on. Okay, this lyrics was like unusual, not like the lyrics that I have read before. And it says it was released on Metal Resistance April 1, 2016. Song sung by Black Baby Metal, but it's not written anywhere about the lyrics, like who have written the lyrics and stuff. I do not know that, but that's really very interesting. And the entire video was like totally different experience than what I have reacted to. I have reacted to solo Su Metal, I have reacted to as a group, and this is the first time that I'm reacting to Yui and Moa Metal, that is Black Baby Metal. So like, I think that was really very good because it really did sound good to me, and the lyrics, I don't think so it has any bad meaning to it. Overall, they are like little girls. Nobody will be adding, even if it's written by them, of course they won't write lyrics that is like not suitable for young girls, or maybe someone from the group. Obviously they have never written something that I have read that sounds matured for the girls, more matured for the girls. They always think about the girls, so I don't think so the lyrics will be something too much to think of. I think it's lyrics that is I'm sorry, I keep looking down because the lyrics are there, so I look at the lyrics and I keep saying that because I'm thinking about it, and I think the lyrics is in a way very innocent, like the girls. Yeah, I was about to say, like, how many Black Baby Metal songs are there right now? Like, I want to watch them. There are very little, I guess, right now, because they don't do it anymore. Yui is not there right now, so maybe with Avengers they'll do something, but Avengers don't sing, right? Avengers only dance, so this lives with only Moa. But that would be interesting if only Moa sings. Impressive how Yui and Moa sang all the words together, no overlapping whatsoever. That was really praiseworthy. Overall, I really loved it. I would really love to watch more videos of them together. Please help me out in the comment section, and there are very few, I know, but I want to watch them, even if not react, because I really enjoyed it today. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Do love yourself and respect yourself and do what you love. And I'll be reacting to more baby metal videos according to the poll and according to your comment section. So please do comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.